What's up, peeps? How's it going? It's going pretty good with me. So we're gonna do a no bake. I love no bakes. They're easy. But anyway, I'm doing a no bake berry dessert. It's easy. I already started most of it, so let's go. Let's get on with it. All right. So I already made the crust, which consists of 35 vanilla wafers. Okay, you know the vanilla wafers. You gotta know those, right? And then you crush them up, and that's going to be your crust. And then you add 5 tablespoons of butter to that, mix it up, and then you get a crust. Very easy. Then you take your cream cheese softened and you put it in a bowl with a cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and that's it. And then you mix it up real good. And then you add the Cool Whip, a whole container. A whole container. You need, actually, it says 2 Cool Whips, but we're going to see about that. I don't know yet. All right, and you need blueberries and strawberries, which I already have cut up. Okay, so we're good to go. So now we're going to layer this mixture on top of the crust. Let's get you down here. There you go. Layer this on top. Yeah, I think you might need 2 Cool Whips. I guess they're right. There we go. It's nice here today. Do any of you play cornhole? Man, I love cornhole. We're about to play. I like it. I'm pretty good at it sometimes. It's a nice day. Tomorrow's Father's Day. Shout out to all the dads. Happy Father's Day. Okay, so now you're going to take your berries and you're going to put them on top of that mixture. I'll put the recipe up too, guys. So there go the blueberries. And they're all washed, just so you know. Okay, and then strawberries. I would say about 1.5 cups of strawberries and maybe a cup of blueberries. That should be enough. And blueberries. And then we're going to take more of the mixture on top of that. I hope you guys can see. Looks good though, right? Yeah, and I can see where it says you might need a little more Cool Whip. So yeah, get 2. Because you want to be able to cover it up. Or don't. I don't know. Looks pretty good, don't it? So what's new? Nothing really here. So there's that. See? I think I am going to add more to the top. I think I'm going to add a little more Cool Whip, like it says. There we go. So I think a little scoop extra, maybe. I hope everybody's gonna have a good weekend. We're gonna go to the park tomorrow. And like I said, play cornhole today, which is fun. So now just put the rest of your berries on top. See, pretty easy, huh? I probably didn't. There. And then you just, about 2 hours, you gotta chill it. Okay? So I hope you try it, because this is my first time, but it looks good. And I'll put up the recipe. I hope you guys have a good day. Happy Father's Day. Enjoy the sunshine. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.